In the world of automotive, some people love to keep the vehicle as stock as possible, but others also love to modify their car with aftermarket parts. The price of aftermarket parts can have different range, from the cheapest until the most expensive. But how if it's so expensive, even just for a pipe, that the main function just to throw the emission from your engine? Yup, we will talk about the exhaust. What is the most expensive exhaust in the world? If you want to know the story, let's go watch it together. And if you first come to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate from you. Hope you enjoy. Well, we will start straight with the number of price. The cost is $41,000. Quicksilver Exhaust just made a bold claim. The company says that it has created the most expensive exhaust system in the world, with a price tag of $41,000. The pricey exhaust system was installed on a Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse. As you will expect, with Quicksilver exhaust, this thing makes a brutal sound. By the way, this company actually makes two exhaust systems for the Veyron that come in $41,000, although the other one is for the entry level. If you're bailing on the budget, Quicksilver offers Bugatti exhaust system for just $16,000. Well, it is made entirely from titanium, hence light and very expensive indeed. The company also mentions they are the first to create a custom exhaust system specifically designed for the model. The titanium exhaust system promises a deeper, louder, crispier soundtrack with half of the weight of the factory edition exhaust. Quicksilver did not provide any specific details regarding the performance gains or losses with the exhaust model. They did, however, produce a video that gives a great idea of what the exhaust sounds like. The Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse is powered by 8-liter W16 quad turbo engine that produces 1200 horsepower and 1100 torque. Acceleration to 60 miles per hour comes in just 2.6 seconds. On the way top speed until 255 miles per hour. Anyway, stop talking and let's watch the video of most expensive exhaust in the world. So, that is a story from the most expensive exhaust. What's your thought on this? Comment down below. I'm sorry for my bad and broken English, but if you still watch and listen until this minute, I appreciate that. Thank you and see you on the next video. Peace.
I'm not too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so to the fullest.